मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? एग्जाम में दिया नहीं रहेगा इट इज अ नॉन इंटीग्रल का सम. They will not give you the word solved by non-integral. You have to identify. How will you identify this word? Cost ledger control account is what? CLC. Other name for it is GLA. There is one more name to it, nominal ledger control. I have done all this when I had done theory with you in the beginning. Okay, so this will help me to identify an exam that it's a non-intriguing question. Am I clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. समझ में आया how to differentiate between integral and non-integral question in the question paper? Okay, fine, thanks. So start. ये है मेरा opening balance, opening trial balance. This is the opening trial balance. I have stores ledger control, that is SLC, WIP, finished goods, and the most important thing, manufacturing overheads control account. Factory overheads. Manufacturing overheads means factory. The factory overheads is given in the question. Okay. So can anybody tell me this is a period cost or a non-period cost? Acknowledge it in the chat box. ये concept मैंने last lecture में किया था. Last to last time. Okay. Period and non-period cost. So manufacturing overheads is given in the trial balance. So which cost is this? Is it a period cost or is it a non-period cost? Okay. Post the answers in the chat box. Yeah, it's a period cost or it's a non-period cost. Okay. Aniksha says it's a period cost. Anyone? Anyone? So maybe there is one person who can answer this. Aniksha. Anyone? Madhu says it's a non-period cost. Okay. Why Madhu? Yeah, Madhu, any specific reason you're calling it a non-period cost? Since it's the first sem, definitely I'll ask you all the logics. Once we are done with 5 to 6, I won't ask because then by that time we'll be used to the logic. So why are you calling it a non-period cost? And Haniksha, why are you calling it a period cost? Okay, so Madhu says, ma'am, because it can be differentiated into pre-expense and inventory cost and post-expense. Okay, fine. Haniksha, why period cost? Okay, it is a cost during the current year. Okay, now let me tell you both, Madhu and Haniksha. Madhu ka answer is right, it's a non-period cost. But the logic behind non-period cost is that, see, this factory overheads is appearing in the opening trial balance. मतलब ये last year का balance है. ये last year का balance है जो आपने current year में आप लेके आए हो, you have carried forwarded. Okay, so any expense of last year which you are carry forwarding it in the next year, so that means that cost is not expired in the last year. तुमने लास्ट ईयर उस लेजर को क्लोज ही नहीं किया. ओके, क्लोज नहीं किया मतलब तुमने पे किया, चार्ज किया, बट थर्ड एंट्री नहीं किया. थर्ड एंट्री इज नॉट एब्जॉर्प्शन. यू डिड नॉट एब्जॉर्ब द एक्सपेंस. Okay, so instead of absorbing the expense, what did you do? You transfer, you took it to the next year. Okay, so that is why it's a non-period cost. So अभी जब इस sum में ledger बनेगा factory overheads का, so I will pay the expense, I will charge, but I will not do the third step, that is absorption of the expense. Am I clear about this to everyone? Okay, acknowledge it in the chat box. Is the logic clear to everyone why it's a non-period cost and the logic behind non-period cost? Okay. Okay, fine. Thanks, students. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Riya, Shubham, Parth, Monica, Aniksha, Madhu. Okay. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन पेपर में सबसे पहले ढूंढने का क्या, GLA. once you get GLA, हाँ, you are assured this is non-integral. Next you should see कोई overheads दिया है क्या. दिया है तो नॉन पीरियड है, नहीं दिया है तो पीरियड कॉस्ट है. पीरियड कॉस्ट है मतलब आपको तीनों स्टेप करना है, पे, चार्ज और थर्ड स्टेप भी एब्जॉर्प्शन. और नॉन पीरियड है तो थर्ड स्टेप नहीं करना है. ओके, फाइन. ओके, simultaneously give your attendance in the chat box. And okay, so I have discussed the opening trial balance with you. और ये जो नीचे का है ना, these are all your adjustments. Okay, ये सब adjustments है. ऊपर ट्रायल बैलेंस है, नीचे ट्रांजैक्शंस फॉर द ईयर है. ओके, सो दीज आर योर ट्रांजैक्शंस फॉर द ईयर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 transactions for the year. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. क्या पूछा है, पास नेसेसरी जर्नल एंट्रीज, वो तो हम करेंगे. Prepare so and so ledger. Which ledger they have asked to prepare? Journal entry भी पूछा है, ledger भी पूछा है. Stores ledger, WIP ledger, finished goods ledger, manufacturing overheads ledger, and CLC ledger. Okay, so they have asked 1 2 3 4 5. But students, remember these 5 ledgers के लिए you have to prepare the subsidiary ledgers because it's a part of the working note. बिना सब्सिडरी लेजर्स के आपको ये लेजर्स का आंसर मिल ही नहीं सकता. ओके, तो देखा जाए तो क्वेश्चन ने बोला है 5 लेजर्स, बट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर ऑल फ्रॉम स्टोर्स लेजर टिल लास्ट GLA. जो भी है 10 और 11 लेजर्स सब बनाना पड़ेगा फॉर ऑल द सम्स. ओके, extract a trial balance after incorporating the above. Okay, so you have to prepare a trial balance also, but this will be which trial balance? This will be a closing trial balance. Opening is given in the question, so this is a closing trial balance. Okay, clear? Anyways, first 5 sums we are going to do journal, ledger, trial balance, everything. Yeah, completely everything, so that you have a practice, you are in sync with the journal entry and the ledger. तो एग्जाम में अगर कुछ भी आता है, से जर्नल एंट्री आता है, लेजर तो आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज देयर विल बी बैलेंसिंग फिगर्स फॉर विच यू हैव टू गिव जर्नल एंट्री. ओके, या, और अगर लेजर आता है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है जर्नल एंट्री करना. इफ यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ यू कैन ओरली डू द पोस्टिंग ऑफ द जर्नल एंट्रीज इनटू लेजर, वेल एंड गुड. एंड इफ नॉट, then तुम्हारा थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम जाएगा फॉर राइटिंग जर्नल एंट्री एंड देन पोस्टिंग. Okay, so we have 7 minutes. We can start with the journal entries because that is the first thing we will do. Okay, so prepare this journal and give the heading journal entries under non-integral system. Okay, particulars, debit, credit. prepare a proper journal. Just don't roughly prepare it. Yeah. Date नहीं है तो I have replaced it with serial number, particulars, debit, credit. Okay. So start with first this one. First transaction, finished goods, finished product at cost. Okay, finished product at cost. It means cost of production. Okay, this transaction means cost of production. Okay, so right. First journal entry, finished goods at cost or cost of production. Okay, give the heading. So you need not waste time in narration. So you don't have to write narration there. But yes, heading you have to give. If you don't give the heading, then you have to write the narration. So if you want to avoid narration writing, give the heading the way I have given. Okay, finished goods at cost or cost of production. What is the journal entry for cost of production? It is finished goods ledger control account debit to WIP ledger control. Okay. And the value is given 4,21,670. Okay. Next, manufacturing overheads incurred. Okay, so manufacturing overheads means factory overheads. Incurred means paid. Okay, yeah. So don't forget, I always said what you have to do. You have to pass 3 entries simultaneously: pay, charge, absorption. Okay, so write down. I don't like this. Journal entry number 2A, 2B, 2C, like this. Yeah. Manufacturing overheads paid. So FOH ledger control account debit to cost ledger control. Don't use the word GLA because in the opening trial balance, the word CLC is used. If the word GLA is used, then you write GLA. If the word cost ledger control is used, then you use CLC as the abbreviation. Okay. So FOH ledger control account debit to CLC. Amount is given 1,83,020. Okay. Then journal entry number 2B, this is done. Factory overheads charged or allocation. So WIP account debit to factory overheads ledger control. And yes, you have to search in the paper. Yes, manufacturing overheads charged to production. Diya hai. Okay, they have given amount 1,54,400. Okay, in case नहीं दिया है, charge का amount नहीं दिया है, तो assume whatever is paid is fully charged. Okay, in case if it is not given, but here it is given, so we will write that amount 1,54,400. Okay, right? Then third is absorption. Absorption का अब भी मैंने आपको logic बताया. इधर absorption का entry नहीं आएगा. Why? Because it's a non-period cost. No entry because it's a non-period cost. Okay. And this indicates non-period cost. Right? Are the entries clear? Then next, we can write one more journal entry. Yeah. Raw material purchased 2,46,000. तो कुछ बोला नहीं है कैश या क्रेडिट, वैसे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. We are going to take it in CLC only, so doesn't make difference. So write journal entry number 3, raw material purchase in cash or credit. Okay. Money is going out, or you can, if you are assuming it's a credit purchase, so creditors, तो कैश और क्रेडिटर्स वर्ड हम नहीं लिखते हैं कॉस्ट शीट में, so we'll replace it with the word CLC. Okay, what is coming in? Raw material is coming in. The store's ledger control account debit to cost ledger control account, 2,46,000. Okay, fine. And after 10 minutes, that is exactly at 9, join from the same meeting ID password. Join in with the same meeting ID password. Okay, there, and I'll continue the sum there. And we'll finish this in the next lecture, obviously, along with the ledger. Okay, factory wages is given. That's your direct, what do you call, take it back again. Yeah. So this factory wages is your direct wages, and indirect labor is your indirect wages. So wage control account is prepared for what? For paying wages. Okay. So we pay them together. Okay. Yeah. So journal entry number 4A, total it 1,01,060, 1,01,060 plus 43,330. So 1,44,390 is the total wages paid. Okay. Then wage control to CLC. Okay. Next, wages charged or allocated. Right. So direct wages will be charged to WIP till your goods are not ready. I mean, it's not manufactured. It is always charged to work in progress account. That is WIP, ledger control. So direct wages will be charged to WIP, and indirect wages in cost sheet where it is reflected under factory. So you are going to charge it to factory rates, to wage control account. Okay. So just now I told you one thing. अगर question में charge का amount नहीं दिया है तो see go to this question. Wages, indirect labor and direct wages के बारे में दिया है, but कुछ बोला नहीं है, pay है, charge है, absorption है, they haven't mentioned it. Okay, so in absence of information, you have to follow all the three. Obviously, you have to follow all the three step: pay, charge, absorption. See, they have not said factory wages paid. उन्होंने सिर्फ लिखा है factory wages. उन्होंने सिर्फ लिखा है indirect labor. आगे कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है, paid है, charge है, absorption है, क्या है. Okay, so you have to go with the flow which I have told you on, pay, charge and absorption वाला. Okay, तो पे तो किया, मैंने क्या बोला था, अगर चार्ज का एंट्री नहीं है क्वेश्चन में तो क्या अज्यूम करने का, अज्यूम दैट वॉट एवर इज पेड इज फुल्ली चार्ज, 100% चार्ज. ओके, लो किया, पूरा का पूरा मैंने चार्ज किया, 1,01,060 एंड 43,340 330 सर. ओके, एंड देन एब्जॉर्प्शन का एंट्री, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंट्री, वेजेस एब्जॉर्प्शन और रिकवरी. वेजेस एब्जॉर्प्शन और रिकवरी एक ही बात है. Okay, so this answer I will get from the ledger. Okay, wages absorption, whether it is under absorption or over absorption, I will get from the ledger account. Okay, but इधर मैं आपको एक टेक्निक बता देती हूँ. See, इधर wages कितना है, 1,43,390 और इधर वेजेस कितना है 1,43 1,44,390 डेबिट क्रेडिट so this ledger will tally is this clear anyways if you don't understand this then when we make the ledger तो tally हो जाएगा तो तुमको पता चलेगा कि third step नहीं आने वाला am I clear about this is this clear acknowledge it in the chat box is it clear okay Haniksha Harshil yeah Siddhi Nikita Parth Monica Ranjana okay fine yeah great thank you students okay so I have left two space for it obviously because when the ledger will tally okay I will write the no entry okay so you have to show these steps but the problem is that okay so next okay. Next journal entry cost of sales okay cost of sales that is total cost को record करना है so write down journal entry number 5 cost of sales so COS account debit to finished goods ledger control 3,71,780 okay next material issued for production okay this one material means raw material obviously issued for production. If you remember, जब हमने stores ledger किया था, तो there I had explained this. This was one of the transactions. Raw material issued for four things: for production, for factory, for office, for selling and distribution. Okay, so here the first one is given in this question. So write down journal entry number 6. Raw material issued to production. Raw material issued to production. So raw material is going out, the credit word goes out, and where it is going in the WIP stage. So WIP debit. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Yeah, WIP ledger control account debit to stores ledger control. 2,54,630. Okay. Next, returns to suppliers. This entry. Returns to suppliers, simple language means purchase return. Okay. Thus, this is the last entry. So write down journal entry number 7, purchase return or return to suppliers. Okay, yeah. Stores, I mean, sorry, CLC, cost ledger control account debit to SLC. Cost ledger control account debit to SLC 8,500. Okay. And leave some space for journal entries because obviously you will be getting balancing figure from ledger, so इसको transfer करना ही पड़ेगा और उसका journal entry लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, fine. Now start. Make your ledgers, draw your ledgers and keep and draw it in the order what I am saying. Okay. जो order मैं बता रही हूँ वही order में अपना जो ledger बनाओ. First is stores ledger account SLC. Make it of 7 to 8 lines. Same WIP 7 to 8 lines. Finished goods ledger 4 to 5 lines is more than enough. Okay, 4 to 5 lines. And wage control again 4 to 5 lines. So these four ledgers should be on one page. आई एम टेलिंग द काउंटिंग. ओके, ये 4 लेजर एक पेज पे आपके होने चाहिए. Stores ledger, WIP, finished goods, and the fourth one is wage ledger control. Okay, try to adjust it in one page. The more you adjust as per the counting of lines, it will be better for you in exam. Otherwise, you'll have to keep turning pages journal के लिए ledger में डालने के लिए, and that will waste your time. Okay, so just what do you call it? Keep a limitation for yourself for making ledgers with respect to lines and talking. Okay. Then next page पे second page पे आपका ये आना चाहिए. Factory overheads ledger control account. Make it of 5 to 6 lines is more than enough. 5 to 6 lines. Then admin overheads is not there, so don't make. एक भी entry नहीं है. Selling and distribution overheads, no entry is there, so don't make. Okay. उसके बाद बनेगा cost of sales account. Again, 3 to 4 lines, not more than that. Then make एक्चुअली सेल्स अकाउंट होना चाहिए, बट सेल्स के रिलेटेड कोई जर्नल एंट्री नहीं है, सो मत बनाओ. एंड देन CPL अकाउंट. ओके, सेम 5 to 6 लाइंस. CPL अकाउंट 5 to 6 लाइंस. एंड लास्ट में मेक GLA अकाउंट अराउंड 10 लाइंस. GLA विल बी लेंदी बिकॉज सारी एंट्रीज उससे होके जाती है. ओके, तो CLC अकाउंट, CLC अकाउंट. Okay. So try to adjust this in second page. We want factory overheads, cost of sales, CPL and GLA. And GLA को थोड़ा lengthy रखना. 10 lines, 10 to 12. And then a closing trial balance. Particulars, debit, credit. 4 to 5 lines, not more than that. Siddhi, don't change the sequence of the ledger. Okay, I am giving you the sequence of the ledger so that your sum is completed faster. Okay, yeah. बिकॉज क्लोजिंग इसी ऑर्डर में होगा ना. अगर तुम सीक्वेंस चेंज करोगे तो क्लोजिंग ऑर्डर तो चेंज नहीं कर पाओगे. क्लोजिंग ऑर्डर तो फिक्स्ड है. ओके, या. सो इफ यू मेक इन दिस सीक्वेंस, then it will be easy for you to close the ledger balance. Clear? And yes, next, no need to write all these details for all ledgers. ये वाला. Just write it for the first ledger. It is understood for the remaining ledgers. Clear? Yeah. So don't write this particulars amount details for all the 11 ledgers. Don't do that. Don't waste your time. Just write it for the first ledger. It is understood. Yes, for the other ledgers also. Okay. So yeah. Now let us start with transfer all your opening balances. The opening balance transfer karo. It's a current asset, so they have debit balances. So right here. To opening balance 6 lakh to 870. Next, WIP to opening balance 2,44,730. Next, finished goods opening balance 5,03,890. Next, factory overheads में there is an opening credit side पे, so write it on the credit side by opening balance 21,050. 21050. Okay, and then GLA, that is CLC, that is having a credit balance, so by opening balance. Okay, 13 lakh 30 440. So 13 lakh 30 440. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you're making a ledger, transfer all the opening balances, whichever side it is, debit or credit side. Okay. Okay, now start giving your post your journal into the ledger. The finished goods ledger control account debit to WIP ledger control 4,21,670. So finished goods ledger control to WIP. Right here to WIP ledger control account 4,71,670. Sorry, 4,21,670. 4,21,670. Take it on the give the second effect by finished goods ledger control. Just give me a few seconds, students. I'll just plug in. I finished goods ledger control account 4,21,670. 4,21,670. Okay. So just keep posting journal to ledger and then all this posting. Okay. Just a minute. Give me some time. Factory overheads ledger control to CLC. To CLC. Okay. So to give the second effect also. I have 1,83,020. So 1,83,020. Second effect 1,83,020. Then give charge ka effect. This is paid, abhi charge. So by WIP ledger control account. Okay. So amount for charges, I guess 1,54,000. Yeah, 1,54,400. So 1,54,400. इसका second effect will go to WIP debit side. To factory overheads ledger control account. 1,54,400. Okay. Next, SLC to CLC, 2,46,000. SLC to CLC, 2,46,000. Second effect in CLC by SLC account, 2,46,000. Okay. Next, wages का wages charge, wages absorbed, wage control to CLC 1,44,390. Wage control to CLC 1,44,390. Okay. तो इसका second effect by wage control account 1,44,390. Okay. Then charge का entry by WIP ledger control account and by factory overheads ledger control account. Their amounts 1,01,060, 1,01,060, and 43,330. Yeah, 43,330. इसका second effect भी दो. Second effect इधर factory में आएगा 43,330. WIP का second effect इधर आएगा to wage control account 1,01,060, 1,01,060. Clear? Okay, you just are giving second first effect and the second effect, just mere posting. Next, cost of sales to FG 3,71,780. Cost of sales to FG 3,71,780. Second effect by cost of sales 3,71,780. Next, raw material issued to production WIP to SLC 2,54,630. WIP to SLC, WIP to SLC 2,50,61, 2,54,630, 2,54,630. Second effect SLC हो जाएगा. So by WIP 2,54,630. Okay. And next, last, sales or purchase return CLC to SLC. I have a habit of writing the debit side first. Huh? Yeah. CLC to SLC 8,500. Second effect by CLC 8,500. Okay. So this completes my ledger. Yeah, start giving your attendance in the chat box and simultaneously look into the screen also. Now we will be doing the closing. Okay. So start and putting the order of closing. First close this ledger. Okay. Yeah. 6,02,870 plus 2,46,000, 8,48,870, 8,48,870, 8,48,870 minus the credit side, minus 2,54,630 minus 8,500. So my answer is 5,85,740. Okay, so write it here. By closing balance, 5,85,740. Okay, और इसका इफेक्ट आएगा ट्रायल बैलेंस में भी. सो राइट हियर closing trial balance 5,85,740. Okay, so this is my first closing. Second closing is WIP. Close it. Okay. 2,44,730 plus 1,54,400 plus 1,10,60 plus 2,54,630. So 7,54,820. 7,54,820. 7,54,820 minus 4,21,670. 3,33,150. 3,33,150. Okay. Second effect will go here. Closing trial balance. We lack 33,150. Next, finished goods ledger. Third one. Okay, close. 5,03,890 plus 4,21,670. So 9,25,560. 9,25,560. 9,25,560 minus credit side 3,71,780. 5,53,780. 5,53,780. So this is my closing balance of finished goods. Take it to the second effect. Closing trial balance here. Finished goods ledger control account. 5,53,780. Okay. Next. Fourth one. ये तो टैली हो जाएगा obviously. Okay, it tallies with what amount? 1,44,390. Just write here tally. So that when you revise this sum, you know it's tallied. then 1 2 3 4, then the fifth one, factory overheads. Close this. इसका बैलेंस चेक करना पड़ेगा. I guess the debit side is 1,83,020 plus 43,330. 43,330. So it is 2,26,350. 2,26,350. Two lakh 26,350 minus 21,050 minus 1,54,400. 50,900. So balance is on this side. By closing balance, 50,900. Since this is a non-period cost, तो ये trial balance में दिखेगा. ठीक है, hide it here. Factory overheads ledger control account. 50,900. Then cost of sales account. Okay, 3,71,780. 3,71,780. Balancing figure take to CPL. So buy CPL account. 3,71,780. Balance transfer. Second effect, we come here in CPL to cost of sales account. 3,71,780. Okay, then close CPL account. Three lakh 71,780. 3,71,780. And take the balance to GLA, that is CLC. By CLC account. This is what? Net loss transfer. Okay, take the second effect. CLC में आएगा to CPL. Three lakh 71. कितना था? 3,71,780. 780. Okay. Then calculate CLC. 13,30,440. 13,30,440 plus 1,83,020 plus 2,46,000 plus 1,44,390. My answer is 19,03,590. 19,03,850. 19,03,850. Okay. Minus 8,500 minus 3,71,780. 3,71,780. So my answer is 15,23,15,23 570. This is my closing balance. And this will go to my trial balance. And my trial balance should tally now. 15 lakh 23 570. Okay, let's check. 5 lakh 85 740 plus 3